And our final part, I hope I got it wrong, but you are allowed to ask me questions. I share the exact talks. You guys call them talks? No, I can't cool kids. These TikToks, I do upload them on my YouTube page as well, which is Stoned Queer 420. No, I think it's just Stoned Queer. But yeah, or I'll also add the links. So the things that help us resonate with this season, the color of the season. All right, so these are the candles that you're going to be using. Get the color orange or dress in that color orange. Remember her relation to Ra, right? The daughter ya Ra, the eye of Ra, right? The one that takes vengeance on behalf of Ra. The stone thing is flint. So baba khotseng maybe ba shebella di Popeye or in, you know that flint stone, or the Popeye tell it a flint stone, but that stone that makes fire, and denoting her principle as well again, right? And then the incense thing is a civet. I just found out the pronunciation today. Civet, and in nature, I think it's called basa. The animals that are associated with this principle are the feline, the cats. So let's go to black cat lawyer. So it's the felines, so the cats, check my cat on the side. The cats, the hedgehog too. Hedgehog king. No, I see look get occupied again. Yeah, so the hedgehog, the cat, the incense thingy. What is the incense? Is I remember now. And then the tree is it's not the cedar, it's like the cedar. It's the family of the cedar. Cedar nale, mashlabi and cold. It's actually in my yard. It is the juniper tree. Juniper! No, not gin drinkers. Juniper tree. And it's also another boom moment where I'm like, oh, maybe that's why Baba got a passion. Who knows? I don't know. We are there. I don't know. Yeah. It's also another debate and another whatnot. But in gin, juniper is found in gin. It's like little berries. Let me pick one from my body now. So this is a bit dry, but it's like a little bit purple. So it's like berries. I'll maybe, no, I won't take a picture, but and then the tipia thingy is the tin, and the scent I said balsam for those who have divorced themselves from religion. I think, yeah, it's one of the popular ones, right? Balsam, and what's that other one? I found it at an Egyptian place. But yeah, so those are the things that align us. Did I say the stone? Yeah, the flint stone. But yeah, your crystal flint. Happy today.